Good day, traders. This is Rick with your Futures Trading Coach Aftermarket Update for the Live Trading Alert Call Room. Today is Thursday, April 9th, and I'm going to let you guys know what we did today. Had a lot of low volume, lots of big up and down candles here, lots of volatility, and we did pretty good today. We had we actually had a couple trades here that were break evens. I'm not going to count. We tried to hit this thing short 2 or 3 times. These were on power plays. Got in, added, got out. Got in, made about a point and a half on that trade. Anybody who had runners might have been taken out on a runner, but I said take most of your contracts off here. Once it came down again, I said, all morning I was talking that this thing was going to go down after it failed up here. I had more targets down below, but these 2 targets were hit. This being the main one, that's why I had the more bolder circle. I said this was more intermediary. I'll go through what we did. The first trade we had a long at 2078.50. 2078.50 at 839 here. I didn't put an arrow because I'm counting it as a break even. Anybody who was a one lot trader took everything off at a point would have made a point here. Okay, but anybody who took half off and tried to hold, for example, would have had a break even on the trade. Same thing with this. On this time when it happened, I definitely said take more off at a point. Again, depending on the contract size, it was either a winner for a 1 lot, break even for a 2 lot, and anything more, a 3 or more would have been a winner as well. Small winner again because there was no follow through. Market came down. Again, we got short in here. Added, got out at break even. Short here at 921. The price was 2073.50. And again, that one went down to 71.50, which was 2 points before it reversed and came back up. But again, you would have been in profits there. Small profits, again, nothing huge, but definitely not a loser. And then when the market came down here a third time, I said, look, all morning I said after this here, when it came down here, I said this is where they're going to try to get to. The no volume and with the volatility and everything, it just took a couple attempts, but we hit it again. Okay, we hit it again here at 9:39 Central Standard Time and took it down. First target was 71. Second target was here, and it was a beautiful opportunity there, and it did make us about from 73.50 about 4 points. Okay, 3 to 4 points. Again, market didn't go any further, so you can't get a 10-point trade if it only goes 4 points. However, we also took it in the TF. Those who trade the TF, actually, it did come down here further for those that held. Most people were out here. But it never did come to our entry here, and it did come down to the bottom of I had the top of the circle and the bottom of the circle with 2 targets. So again, 3 to 4 points depending on how long a trader could hold it. And then again on the TF, those who took it in the TF, we got short at the same time as over here. 12.57 was the price. 12.57, 12.57.1, 12.56.9, anywhere right in here. TF moves and bounces a lot. And again, I was very specific about this. The market came down. I said peel off contracts around the way, hold a runner. And I said that when this ES gets to this target here, to the top of this circle, at that point, as soon as that gets down there, that's where you take your target off on the TF. And you'll notice that that happened exactly right here. In fact, I drew the line in real time when it came down there. I said, okay, guys, take your profit off, get it off. And if you look at the time, 9:54, this was the exact time that it hit the target in the ES, and that trade went from 12.57 all the way down to 46.6, 46.5. So about 105 ticks on that trade for those that had enough contracts to hold. Otherwise, you got anywhere 15, 30, 50 ticks. And then if you held anywhere in there, 105 ticks to the target, and as of now, that was the low of the day. And then before the market closed, we had one final long. We got long 350, and again, it went up, did the minimum 75, so I made about a point, and then we just closed the room. So no losers today. A couple break evens, but we did have a couple winners and a big one in the TF. And we're going to come back and do it again tomorrow, guys. So until then, have a great day.